Hello and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Let's make Schezwan fried rice, which is really simple to make and very flavorful, delicious. And please subscribe my channel if you haven't done so. Now let's begin with heating 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add carrots and finely chopped green onions and cabbage. Stir fry on high heat. You're going to add bell pepper or capsicum, green and red. And here I have some diced paneer, or you can use tofu as well. So I'm just adding for extra rich flavor. And add 2 to 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. Now mix everything well. And here I have parboiled rice, which I already cooked it, but it's like semi-cooked, and fried rice masala. This is Schezwan fried rice masala. I'm adding one full sachet, and with that I'm adding Schezwan sauce, which is really spicy, so add according to your preference. Now mix everything well. We want it to be gentle while mixing it, so just toss around until everything is incorporated. So here we go. Our Schezwan fried rice is ready, and garnish with some fresh chopped green onions. It adds a lot of flavor and it is so delicious and very simple to make. So I hope you enjoyed this Indo-Chinese recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and also if you have any comments or suggestions, please write in the comment box below. So enjoy this simple but very flavorful dish, and I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.